Namaskar, I am your host Narayankar. Friends, in this video I would like to discuss a letter written by Mamta Banerjee to Sonia Gandhi and other leaders, including Sharad Pawar. Before I could reveal the contents of the letter, I would like to say that the other name of politics is selfishness. You remember, ladies and gentlemen, in 2018, Sonia Gandhi had convened a meeting of all opposition parties to chalk out plans to fight against the BJP led NDA in the run up to the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. But Mamta Banerjee refused to attend the meeting, saying that she had commitments and she will not be able to attend. However, the real reason was something else. And what was the reason? The real reason was that she was not interested working under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi and wanted to see herself as the face of the opposition because TMC had bagged 34 of the 42 Lok Sabha seats in West Bengal in the 2014 elections. But yesterday, she wrote a letter to Sonia Gandhi after she had been pushed on the back foot by the BJP in the run up to the second phase of West Bengal election, where she is also contesting against Suvendu Adhikari in Nandigram. In the letter, Mamta Banerjee has exhorted them to come together to save democracy. Without mincing words, she said that the BJP, led by Narendra Modi, is hell-bent on finishing the opposition and establishing a one-party authoritarian rule in the country. To support her argument, she has enumerated 7 points, and she begins with the news that gives more power to Delhi Lieutenant Governor compared to the city's elected government. The list also includes misuse of the office of governor, central agencies like the CBI and Enforcement Directorate, withholding states' funds, disbanding bodies like the National Development Council and Planning Commission, using money power to topple non-BJP governments, privatization of nation's assets and deterioration in the relations between the states and the center. And just look at the timing of the letter. It comes on the eve of her big battle with bitter rival Suvendu Adhikari in Nandigram. What right Mamta Banerjee has to seek help from Sonia Gandhi? Because she had refused to help her in the run-up to the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. I don't know in what frame of mind Mamta Banerjee is. She thinks that Sharad Pawar, Sonia Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, M.K. Stalin, Uddhav Thackeray, Mayawati and other leaders would propose her to lead the opposition against BJP? No. Sharad Pawar is believed to be making up his mind to form the government with the BJP in Maharashtra because the Uddhav Thackeray government is on the verge of collapse after Parambir Singh's explosive letter exposing its corruption. This is a very selfish step taken by Mamta Banerjee, and I don't think this kind of letter has any meaning left because the people of West Bengal have made up their mind to defeat Mamata Banerjee in the state elections. Also, there are indications showing that she is under tremendous pressure. One of the biggest indications was an interview of Prashant Kishore, who admitted, though indirectly, that BJP is gaining ground in the first 5 rounds of election and Mamata Banerjee is losing Nandigram. All of us know that if she loses Nandigram, she loses entire West Bengal. So this is my analysis. If you do not agree with it, please post your analysis in the comment box. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.